the difference between an empty and none in testing the emptiness of a variable, of a Python variable. Okay, let's take an example. A equals to none. Of course, now I specifically define that as none, but sometimes in a program, we never know the value of A. It can be from the definition. I mean, from the def function, then you can return a non-variable. Then if you check it in other program, other parts of the program, see whether it's none. Then you can determine your next action. For this is very simple. We just test it if A, print A is none, not none. Okay. Else print A is none. Okay. You check it, A is none. Or you can say A is none. Print A is none. Else print A is not none. This means A is none. Okay? You can either if A or if A is none. Both are acceptable. Now what about a list? In an empty list, the same thing. If if M print M is not empty, okay? So M is an empty list. Yeah, M is an empty list. Okay. Now, what about the iterator? Then, if we do this, we may have got a problem. Okay. First of all, define a pandas data frame. The example. Okay. Okay, that is the example data frame constructed from pandas. Anyway. Okay. Now there's something that from pandas. If you do the same thing, okay, I'll make it smaller. If you do the same thing if df there is not an empty data frame. If you run it, you've got an error. But of course, that have a kind of hint to you, so you've got to change it. Run it again. This. Oh, sorry, I make it wrong. No, that's wrong. Okay, this is not an empty data frame. So you cannot use if none. You cannot use if df. You gotta use empty. So there's something not very consistent for other for all kind of variables. If you test for a text, list, or whatever other things, an array and so on, then you use if none, or just if A, then we do. But for an iterator, the frame is an iterator, then you have to check it with df empty. Okay? So that is maybe this kind of experience, a lot of people know it already, but I would like to record it and really, if you forget it, they will get frustration in your debugging of your program. Okay, thank you for listening to my sharing of experience of in Python and Emacs, and wish you a good day. But by the way, I now discovered that I can use the same kind of because I don't use IPython very much. I use it within Emacs, but now I find that actually can use the same kind of keystroke in Emacs. Control E to go to the end of the line, Control A go to the beginning of the line. I did now discover it's very useful. It's very useful. See if I can delete. Yeah, we can delete with alternate D. So again, that proves that learning Emacs is really very helpful in programming in Python. Okay, thank you very much, and hope to see you again. Okay, talk to you again some days later, maybe tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice day and a nice weekend. Bye-bye.